Hello and welcome. Creating mini applications refers to the ability to use the advanced version of D4E to build custom mini applications within D4E where we can integrate SQL and Excel to create tailored solutions for specific tasks. What we mean here is because you have all these nice and convenient functionalities of D4E combined together in using the tasks pane, for example, you can imagine combining them in such a way that it serves a particular purpose. Let's say, for example, you have a budget financial database. A budget is something you report on as well as something you update. So in here is an update process for the budgets, and so we can run this as one part of our mini application, the update part. And so we can say get the table, and this could be our budget data, wherein we can have rows and rows of data, whether they be budgets or, or forecast or actuals, and we can have a number for them. Now, this is an extract, however, it is extracted in a way that it can be updated. So because there's an action code column, you can actually, what was your extract can actually be changed to something like 800. And let us see if we can change all the budget or actual amounts to 800. And this is the first part wherein we will update our budgets for this month. And we have a button called Update Table. We click on that and we will see that it actually updated our database. So 12 updates, 0 deletes, and 0 inserts. So if we actually extract it again, just to check, let us look, and we can see that in extracting again, we now can see it's 800. So we've done the first part of our mini application. The second part is, of course, to create report summaries for this, perhaps by branch or by account or by company. So this is the second part. We create a spreadsheet. Let's create a spreadsheet for this. A pivot table. Let's do it again. And this could be our budget report, for example. And for each company, we will have different reports. So that brings us the third part of our mini application. We can keep working on this to make it complicated, and we can even automate this from the reporting side of it. We can create a macro for this and constantly refresh our reports. That gives us an example in demonstrating how we can do a mini application. Thank you very much.